We're gonna shoot a bird today.
With what?
Your mom.
This little crossbow.
I think them beetles are gonna have babies right there.
Okay. This is a crossbow, and I'm gonna shoot birdie with it. I think it's gonna die when I shoot it. Maybe.
If you shoot it.
Go. Take this downtown.
Shot a,
Quit shooting stuff with a
I
knife.
shot a bug.
Okay, first we need to scope out and find a bird.
Sorry.
See any?
I see 100.
There's a whole bunch of birds here, man.
I'm gonna shoot you if you don't shut up, Bryson.
Good luck.
Up here there should be one. Okay. All we gotta do is see a bird and shoot it. And we're done. We'll have a successful video.
So you say.
We'll die trying. Time to be quiet, but why would you be birds?
That's it. We better hurry up to Selena's eventually. So, when her mom comes back.
Why is there a crossbow tip in a bird?
Grayson did it.
I'm not seeing anything now. Show yourself. Okay, we've been flying. Let's get that one. It's a vulture.
I ain't gonna look shooting that.
I am.
It's up there in the tree.
Oh, I think it's going for that baby bird.
We better hurry up and get it.
Kill it. Grayson, I think it's going for that
Kill the
baby
vulture.
bird. I don't know. I think
Oh,
it's
there's one up here.
it smells the blood on that baby bird.
Yeah, come on, let's go.
Let's go get the vulture.
Yeah, come on.
That'll be kind of weird.
You know why they can arrest us for that? Especially because you have a video.
Well, then let's not put it on YouTube.
Yeah, just save it.
Show it to our friends and relatives.
Yeah, there we go. Well, not relatives, because then they probably kill us, but
Just friends.
It'll be between us three.
yeah, there we go.
Manly men. Except him. What about if you just saw us move down right beside of us? Go.
Kick the door down.
What about if we actually shot the window?
well, the bird's over there, so.
You want to put it out of its misery or wait?
Right there's the little birdie.
There's one that can fly.
Maybe we could throw it up and shoot it while it's flying.
I don't think it can fly.
It'll be flying. At least.
I think we should find something, shoot it, and then put the arrow back up. We could bring this to Selena's. Shoot little targets.
She wouldn't let us.
She wouldn't let us.
You're like, no. Come down here.
Hey, we need to go to the nest and shoot the mama.
I'm scoping out. Anybody down here? No. Let's keep on going forward.
Preston.
Fighting now. Oh no, where's it at? I see it.
Right there.
Right there.
It's in the tree.
I hear it.
Oh, there it is. It's right here.
Which dot should I use? First, second, third?
Second.
Ready?
Did you hit it or you miss?
I don't know where the arrow's at.
Probably got stuck up there.
I saw feathers.
Did I hit it? Look up. See.
Wow.
I seen an arrow go that way a little bit. Maybe it's stuck on the arrow.
Maybe. That way the arrow got stuck up there.
That'd be strange if you just saw a bird with an arrow in it just moving around.
I'd be like, what the hell? Well, I heard a snap, so it might have hit the tree.
I saw the it's in this tree right now. It killed it though.
Maybe you hit its wing and didn't kill it?
Maybe it
They could, really.
We don't got no neighbors that way that far. I don't see no arrow stuff in there.
What exactly did you shoot
Well,
it?
you know what? Okay. We probably got it, so let me show you guys the cast. This is the guy who's recording. This is fat guy. This is me. I got a bow and arrow.
That's mine.
Well,
It's called a crossbow.
Well, through mirror. But that's Trayvon. Traven. What's
Get
your
it
last
right.
name? What's your last
bastard.
name?
I don't have to tell you shit.
Okay, so it's Traven and Bryson and me.
So what is
So-
your last name though?
Well, we probably killed it and we're done.